Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. This video was requested by a subscriber of mine named Swati, and she requested that I make a video on how to send the vibration of love to a specific person. And yes, this is something that we can do. We're all energetically connected to each other and everything else in the universe, right? The law of divine oneness states that. So I'm going to briefly explain the vibration of love and how to send it to someone, and then the video will close with a 10-minute meditation that I made specifically for this purpose. And I'll also make a separate video just of the meditation, and I'll link that below in case you just want to go back to that another time. But first, quick intro. My name is Alyssa, and this channel is about the laws of the universe and how you can use them to empower your life and thrive in your human experience. So if any of that sounds good, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Like this video to get it out to more people, share this video if you found it useful, and leave me a comment. Quick disclaimer, I will not be talking about how to manifest a specific person. Sending the energy of love is completely different. We're simply using that existing connection that we have with others and the law of vibration to essentially send someone a message in the form of love. I honestly don't believe in using manifestation techniques to try to attract someone who isn't showing interest in us. The energy behind that is very unhelpful, and it will continue to repel that person because they are subconsciously feeling that needy type of energy. So just wanted to throw that out there. And again, today's focus will be how to send the frequency of love to a specific person or people. So the law of vibration, as you may know, is a major component of the law of attraction. And these laws state that we attract into our realities things that we're vibrationally aligned with. So we're made up of energy, right? Plain and simple. Everything is just energy made up of subatomic particles that vibrate at different frequencies. And we attract things of like frequencies. And throughout our lives, how we think, feel, and act start to make up our dominant vibration. So think of us as magnets that attract only the things that are similar to our frequency. I have several videos on the law of vibration, which I'll link below and pin to the comments. But the frequency of love is an incredibly potent form of energy. And we're able to feel that energy off of other people and vice versa. There's a research facility called the Heart Math Institute in Boulder Creek, California, and they conduct studies on the human heart and the electromagnetic energy that our heart holds, which, by the way, is the most potent energy stored in the human body, more powerful than our heads. So when you hear speakers and gurus telling you to use your heart and not just your head to solve problems, there's actually science to back that up. So because love is so potent and it comes so naturally to us, it's very easy to spread the vibration of it. Think of being somewhere with a large group of people, like at a concert, where you're all there to have a good time, everyone's happy to be there, the music is spreading more of those feel-good vibes, and there's just this incredible wave of positivity and love that everyone can feel. It's contagious, right? So that's the scenario where you have someone right next to you and you're more easily able to pick up on that love energy. But what about somebody who's far away from you? Well, you can still do it. Everything is energy, right? And I believe that humans are far more intuitive than we'll ever know. Example, have you ever been thinking about someone, not in a desperate way, but you're just thinking about someone and then a few minutes later they call or text you? Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe they picked up on that energy that you directed towards them and they felt inclined to call you without even knowing why. So we can put intention and focus into the thought energy that we're sending their way, and they can feel that. In 2020, when the world was basically flipped upside down and we had to start distancing more, I learned how to do this through meditation, since it does take focus for it to really be effective. So I would sit and I would do a body scan and get into that deep relaxation, and you'll see if you stay for the meditation after this. But then I would picture a light representing love and safety. That was the intention that I put behind it. And then I would picture the light coming in through the top of my head, spreading throughout my body. And then I would picture it extending out in front of me further and further. And then I would picture it reaching my family, friends, the rest of the world, and immersing everyone in that light that I put that intention behind, if that makes sense. So again, if you want to stick around for a quick guided meditation on this, that's coming right up. And if not, thank you so much for watching through the end of the explanation. Again, if you want a deeper dive into the law of vibration, you can find a few of my videos on that in the description below and pinned to the comments. And again, this meditation will also be linked below if you want to come back to it. But subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, like this video to get it out to more people, leave me a comment, and share this video if you found it useful. But thank you all so much for watching today, and as always, please be safe, much love, and I'll see you next time. close your eyes or keep them slightly opened, allowing them to rest gently. Allow yourself to relax completely now, and we'll begin by taking 3 deep breaths in and out, starting now. Make sure your breath is filling your belly while you relax your shoulders and your neck. Now breathe steadily and comfortably, allowing your body to relax completely. Now imagine an energy orb of loving light floating directly above your head. Notice the intensity of this bright white orb of light as it starts to fill your head with its loving energy. Allow more of that light to come in and travel down through your face, down to your throat, and to your neck and shoulders. Now filling your chest and your back with this light, let it make its way down through your stomach, and to your hips, feeling it course through your legs, and all the way down to the bottoms of your feet. Allow yourself to sit completely immersed in this potent, loving energy. Now imagine breathing in some of that light energy directly into your heart with a slow, deep inhale. And as you exhale, let your body relax more and more, feeling yourself get heavier as you sink into the surface beneath you. And take another deep breath in, taking in more of that powerful, loving light. And exhale, feeling the light dance around your heart space, raising your vibration. Take one more deep inhale through your heart. And as you exhale, imagine a big, bright beam of this incredible energy pouring out through your heart and through your chest. Extend that powerful beam of energy out 10 feet in front of you. 20 feet, 30 feet, now direct that energy beam out towards a loved one or loved ones, extending it out as far as you need it to go. Take another deep breath in through your heart and exhale, pouring that energy out towards your loved ones, completely bathing them in this powerful, loving light as you continue to breathe it in. Continue to focus on this powerful energy beaming from your heart. How does it feel as you extend it out to your loved ones? Now bring your focus back to your body and how it feels to have this energy flowing through you. And take another breath as you prepare to come back to the world around you. Feeling the surface beneath you, noticing the sensations in your hands and throughout your body. Acknowledging the sounds and the temperature of the room. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.